Hi, and welcome to a quick demo of the Cookbook. If you click on any Get Started button on the homepage, you should be taken to cookbook.obot.ai, and this is our app. To log in or sign up, you just need to click the Login with Google button. It'll ask you if you want to use your Google account to set up an account on the Cookbook and then authorize it as a sign-in mechanism. And once you've done that, you'll have access to the Cookbook. The Cookbook is an AI for creating recipes. When it welcomes you, it gives you a number of different ideas for recipes you can create, but the real fun is just creating something that you're in the mood for. So I'm looking for a recipe for, I don't know, let's do sloppy joes in the crock pot. And when you explain what you're looking for, the Cookbook will go out and it'll create a recipe for you immediately. That recipe is based on all the knowledge of ChatGPT, and it's usually a pretty good general starting point for a recipe, especially if you've given it specifics like I want a crock pot recipe. So once I've created that, you can come up here to see the files, and this is all the files you've created. So over time, you'll see your recipes here as you generate them. And here's our crockpot sloppy joe. It's given us a few different ingredients, some ketchup and Worcestershire sauce, mustard, and pretty detailed instructions on how to create this. I like the looks of this, but I don't know about having green peppers in my sloppy joes. I like the idea of some veggies, but my kids will definitely eat it more if I use carrots. So can you swap out carrots for green peppers? Just asking it to make a change like that will kick off the AI. It'll go and look for some options and it'll start making changes to this file. The file is really the basis for our recipe. And here you can see now it's been updated. I've got a cup of chopped carrots in here instead of my green peppers. And here my recipe has been updated to highlight that we want to use carrots. I can add any changes. I can come in and say, oh, I don't really want brown sugar, just use regular sugar. So I could delete some text here and just update it like that. Or I could leave it in because I actually do like brown sugar and mention over here, let's change the sugar out for something else. Once I like it, I can stop or I can download the file or I can publish it to the web. And publishing to the web basically puts up a website, generates an image, and gives you a URL that you can share with anyone or keep for yourself as a way to hold on to the recipe. Usually writes a little overview of the recipe as well, so anyone else can kind of understand what you were trying to build. This process is really meant to be super fun, super easy, and a way to create things and share them and find what other people are creating. So you can see here it's going through a couple steps to publish it. It's generating an image for it and creating a post on the cookbook.ai WordPress site. And all of this is, takes a couple minutes to generate and push. And once you're done, we'll end up with a link to the recipe. And here it is. If we click that, we can find our crockpot sloppy joes, a little picture of them, a quick overview, and a URL you can share. Crockpot sloppy joes. The recipes, if you want to find other ones, you can click on the recipes tab and find all sorts of recipes that other people have generated and created. And that's the cookbook.